How to fix Wi-Fi connected but internet not working problem on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is check if the Wi-Fi network has internet access or not. Even if Wi-Fi shows as connected, the network itself may not have internet. Try connecting another device like a laptop or another phone to the same Wi-Fi, and if it also can't browse, then restart the Wi-Fi router. If it works fine, then continue to the next step for your iPhone. All you have to do is open the Settings app, then inside Settings app, tap on the Wi-Fi option available in there. Once you tap on the Wi-Fi, tap on the Wi-Fi you are connected to, then tap on the Forget My Network option available there. Then once you tap on the Forget Wi-Fi network, simply confirm it and reconnect to this network. If prompted, tap Trust for any security certificates. After that, go back to the settings, tap on the General, then scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer Reset iPhone, then tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset Network Settings. This will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings. Just re-enter them afterward. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.